Hello student, today I will teach you about a new topic, transposable element. What do you mean by transposable element? The portion of DNA that can move from one place to another. It should be a chromosome. That means within a chromosome a portion of DNA can move from one place to another or another chromosome within the genome in a single cell. Transposable element can found from bacteria to human. In case of bacteria, there are two type of transposable element is found. One is insertion sequence and another one is transposable element. Insertion sequence is made up of two sequence. One is transposase and another one is inverted terminal repeats. This is the simple drawing of insertion sequence. It consists of two sequence. The middle one is transposase gene and the end portion is contain terminal inverted repeats. Transposase genes actually encode the enzyme that is necessary for transposition. That's mean here we suppose in a chromosome this is gene A. Here a transposable element is present which can incorporate within this gene and can disrupt the function of that gene or fully abolish the function of gene, or this type of transposable element can come out from that of gene is transposons. It is mainly two types, composite transposon and non-composite transposon. Transposon is bigger than IS element. We can see a IS element. IS mean insertion sequence. And this is the target site on which the IS element can be incorporated. First cut as a laggard and then the IS sequence can be incorporated of that sequence. Here note that the IR sequence is mainly responsible for the recognition of that target sequence, and the IR sequence is direct repeat and opposite in direction. That's why A C A G T T C A G and here A G A C T T G A C A. And after incorporation of that transposable element, newly synthesized DNA also synthesized. Now we learn about the general properties of plant transposable element. Plant transposable element also contain IR sequence which is short direct repeat. And plant transposable element have two families of transposable element. One is autonomous and another one is non-autonomous. Autonomous means which can transpose by themselves, and non-autonomous cannot transpose by themselves because they lack of transposition gene. A non-autonomous family of transposable elements should require an autonomous family of transposable element for its transposition. AC and DS are the transposable element in maize plant. AC element is autonomous and DS element is non-autonomous. AC means activator and DS means dissociation or dissociator. It is noted that AC element only transpose during the replication period. There are two ways for transposition of AC element. To an already replicated recipient site and an unreplicated recipient site. The AC element of that donor site transposes to an already replicated recipient site. So there is no net increase of AC element. That means these are the vacated site and these two AC element like before. And another way for transposition of AC element is that unreplicated recipient side. These are two donor side. These are two AC element. Here, suppose the AC element can be transposed before replication from here to here. Suppose so during replication, the donor side should replicate the AC element, and this AC element can further replicate the AC element. That means there is net increase of AC element. DS means dissociator. These are heterogeneous in length and sequence, but all have the same terminal IR AC element, IRs. That means inverted repeats. Suppose this is the figure of a activator element. It contains two IR repeats, and these are the DS sequence, which also contain IR repeat, but size of the DS element are not similar, and it is thought to be that DS elements are come from AC element due to the deletion of some portion of AC element. Talking about the transposable element found in maize plant, which is discovered by Barbara McClintock before the discovery of transposable element in bacteria. The transposable element in maize plant is AC and DS system. Barbara McClintock took her experiments since 1940 to 1950. He gave the plant, he was taken the plant maize. The scientific name is Gia maize, and she was called, the element is controlling element, and later it is called transposable element. And she was awarded by Nobel Prize in 1983 after 40 years. Taken a gene capital C, which is responsible for purple color of kernel, and mutated gene small c, which is colorless. All the experiment is done within the chromosome 9 in the short arm portion of that chromosome. Now we are learned about the experiment that is done by Barbara McClintock. First, this is the portion of DNA or short arm of chromosome 9. Here, this is the gene capital C, which is wild type, and for that gene the kernel is purple in color. In the presence of AC, DS can transposed within the gene C. So the C, capital C, can be mutated into small c, and the function of that gene is disrupted. So the kernel is colorless. And again, the DS element in presence of AC can jump out from that gene. So it will be again purple, but not. Here the kernel is colorless with purple spot. This is the overall experiment which have done by McClintock, and after 40 years she was awarded by Nobel Prize.